Okay, so for this unit, we're going to break up the vocab into individual topics so that way you can find exactly what you need when you need it. First one here is congruent figures. So tune in here real short. So congruent figures are figures that have the same shape and same size. This is really important, folks. Same shape, same size. They can, go any direction. That doesn't matter. Like these two are flipped from each other. This one slid farther down. But it's important, same shape, same size. Now on my quiz and test, you'll be expected to tell me the congruency statement. A couple of things are important in this. So first off, it's a statement where corresponding congruent angles of congruent figures are listed. Now remember here, we know this, arcs indicate congruent angles. So this angle and this angle are congruent. The one with 2 marks is congruent to the one with 2 marks. The one with 3 marks is congruent with the one that has 3 marks. And we know congruent means same shape, same size, right? We know that. The tick marks on the side. The one with 1 mark is the same length as the one with 1 mark. The one with 2 marks is the same as the one with 2 marks. This is going to confuse you, right? The one with 3 marks is the same as the one with 3 marks. Now, that's important because notice that angle A has a single mark, angle Y has a single mark. Order matters when I state that they are congruent. We know this symbol already. It means congruent, but A and Y are in the same position because A and Y have the single mark. B has a double mark, Z has a double mark, B and Z are in the middle together. C has a triple mark, X has triple marks, C and X are in the same position in my statement. Let me say that again. C and X are in the same position in my statement. Now, something else. AB has a single mark. YZ has a single mark. Notice here, AB, YZ. What do you think of that, right? Notice, BC has a double mark. XZ has a double mark. BC, ZX, right? BC, ZX. Finally, AC has a triple mark. YX has a triple mark. Notice AC, YX. Same positions. It gives every bit of it in the congruency statement. And I would, if you mess this up, if you put ABC and over here you put YXZ, I'd have to count it wrong because position and order matters. If you're a little stuck on that, repeat this part. Back up, rewind, repeat it again.